Hello mga sisi ko, welcome back to my channel. Kagala nga pala kami ng asawa ko ngayon. It's Saturday mga sisi ko. Ayan. Malinaw ba yung camera ko? Summer na mga sisi ko. Punta kami sa somewhere. Kasi nag-request ako sa asawa ko. Sabi ko, magbakasyon naman kami. Pinati ng asawa ko. Dala na tayo ng tank. Nahanap ko yung cellphone ko, nandito pala. Sige na mga sisi ko. Waiting tayo sa husband ko. Punta kami ng plan kasi namin. Pupunta ng mountain. Pero sabi ko, gusto ko rin yung punta sa mga batis-batis dito. So sabi ng asawa ko, may pupuntan daw kami. First time din yung makapunta doon. So tingnan natin kung maganda ba doon sa lugar na pupuntahan namin. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan kasi ang hirap bigkasin. Mamaya mga sisi ko, alalahanin ko. Nasa dulo ng dila ako. Tawa ko mga sisi ko. Mag-google map muna siya. Gamitin niya yung Waze. Si-set niya kung saan kami pupunta.
Let's take A6 and 218.
Here you go, Marco.
Yeah.
Say hi to our vlogs.
Hello, dear vlogs.
Oh, hello, dear vlogs daw mga sisi ko.
Okay,
Let's go!
let's slowly go.
Ayan. Mag-road trip kami. Tingnan ko nga yung mukha ko, kung maganda ba. Yeah. I am, Marco.
Huh?
Beautiful.
Of course you are.
See? Sa mata lang ng asawa ko.
The previous one was nice, by the way.
The first one?
No, there to the first place to sit on the left.
Mm-hmm.
Like this is nice. Ah, but did we bring the thing for sitting?
Yeah. May mga nangingisda mga sisi ko. Ayan mga sisi ko. Lakad lang tayo. Samahan nyo kami.
Yeah, after the bridge. See the bridge, the lake there?
Yeah. Nasa lake tayo mga sisi ko. Yung lake, ganyan yung kulay. Feeling ko, do you have a crocodile there?
First one.
Asawa ko, hindi sanay sa lakaran. Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta. Sinusundan lang namin kung ang sisi ko. Cactus. Mga cactus. Halos mga nangingisda sila mga sisi ko.
The water needs to come from high, right?
Naliligaw pa yata kami mga sisi ko. Maybe ask. No, just ask him. Her.
They said to after the bridge. And after the bridge is here. and the water falls from high ground, right? So it needs to be there. This is the logic. Or maybe not.
We're on the outside of the
We're
room.
on the outside. No.
Just us.
No.
Nasa labas na kami ng ano.
Let's
I think in the other side.
Maybe.
The straight one.
Maybe I didn't expect
With people.
I thought or maybe we'll return and sit and eat somewhere.
Yeah. If we didn't saw it, let's
Let's
continue.
continue for 10-15 minutes, and if we don't find it,
Let's
let's just
return.
return and sit somewhere to eat.
Yeah. Mga sisig ang ganda, oh. Private camping site. Di ko na-expect na malaki pala to. Parang bibit lang mga sisi ko to, oh. Nasa bibit kami. Ganito yung lugar namin sa Antipolo, yung sa bibit. Dadaan kami sa Tarahiban. Marco. Yung taas. Oh, maybe let's go here.
This is just the lake, Marco. The waterfall. This looks like a circle. We're just going from the same place.
Marco, it's like Antipolo. We have this
What is
also in Antipolo.
Lake?
Yeah. Lake. Hinahanap namin mga sisi ko yung waterfalls.
I think it's not here. It shouldn't be here. There is no logic to be here.
I think over there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Oh, this is lake, Marco. It's not waterfall. Careful. Don't slip.
Marco, it's better to us.
Oh.
The people is here already. The people is already here.
Lake, right?
Yeah. Hinahanap namin mga sisi ko. Dapat parang nagchinelas ako. Nababasa kami. Ang ganda dito.
Careful. Okay, it's not here.
It's not here. Ang linaw. Mahal ko, we also have like this in
I
Antipolo.
propose to return, Marco.
Yeah, let's return. I think it's there.
It's heavy. I also feel heavy. It's too much for me.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Hindi namin makita mga sisi ko. Makita. Wala kasing gaanong tao. Naiya kasi magtanong yung asawa ko eh. Sabi ko ako magtatanong kasi di naman ako magkaintindihan. Balik na kami. Na kami mga sisi ko. Hindi namin makita yung waterfalls. Alay lang nalalakad namin. Almost 45 minutes na yata kami naglalakad. Balik na lang kami. Bumalik kami. Ang ganda, oh. let's try there. If no,
then
there is no reason. Let's go back.
Yeah, let's go. I can sit.
Yeah. Sit and eat. At least you hike. Even a little. Hindi namin nakita mga sisi ko yung falls na pupuntahan namin. So, kapag hindi namin nakita, babalik na lang kami. Magpipiknik kasi kami. Ang dami mga ingisda. Oh my gosh, this one is private. Private villa.
I don't think it's private.
Private fishing area.
No, it's not private.
Because they have a cottage, Mark.
They have a house there, it's maybe. But it's not private. Everybody can fish everywhere. Unless the land is private there, you can fish. For example, here it cannot be private for sure. Okay, did you hear something? Like a waterfall? You see? Marco? Do you hear?
There. Let's continue.
No, it's a dead. There is no
Dead end.
I think this is dead end, yeah.
Marco, can you please read this? Esvinya, bye. Esvinya.
Here it's not, you cannot fish. It's not allowed. Do you see?
Why they're PC?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
I heard it, Marco.
I heard something, but I don't know if it's water.
It's water. Yeah, it's getting strong. Yeah, Marco, I heard it.
Okay, the woman was right. I'm stupid.
You're not listening to instruction.
Yeah, this is the waterfall.
Let's go here.
Oh, maybe we get out too early. Maybe it's here better.
Yeah, let's go there.
No, here, I'm not sure if we can pass here.
Maybe we can fast there.
Yeah.
Yan, nakasisi ko.
Is it this one?
Yes.
I don't think it's this one. This one?
Maybe let's try at the end. Ganito mga sisi ko yung pinapaliguan ko yung... Ay, sure. Go. Sisi ko. Try pa namin maglibot. Wala kasing kami maupuan doon. Sabi ng asawa ko, madumi daw. Hanap kami na magandang peso. Kung wala, balik na kami doon sa sa taas. Mahal ko, it's end. It's already end. Mamaya meron pala dito tikbalang, oh. O kaya hindi wende. Mahal ko, I think let's go back. Yeah, it's end. What do you think?
They have something.
Okay.
I hear some sound there.
We can continue again. Bigat kasi dala niya. Magpipiknik kasi kami. Oh my gosh, akala ko may ahas. Kinabahan ako. May ahas na eh. Pero matik dito may mga laman lupa. Kasi nagtataasan yung mga balahibo ko. Ganito yung sa bibit, oh. Pero yung ilog na pinapaliguan namin, ilog ba yun o sapa? May malalim. Parang dito walang malalim. Nakaka-relax yung agos ng tubig. Hindi ako sure kung malinis yan. Kasi yung ano ng tubig, parang hindi siya pwedeng paliguan. Although hindi naman ako maliligo. Pinunta ko lang dito is para mag-relax. Yan, spring water. Bukal. Feeling ko may buhaya dito. Kasi kulay ng tubig, nakakatakot.
If you find suitable place for sitting,
It's perfect. Nasa dulo na yata kami. Walang masyadong special. Ganito lang siya. Nothing special. Highway na to mga sisi ko.
let's go there, maybe safe.
Okay.
Where are we? I don't know.
I don't know too.
But you're not here, definitely.
Yeah, we're not. Maybe let's continue.
Maybe let's sit here. If we continue, we'll go far away even.
Yeah. I mean, let's go back later.
Can we sit here?
I heard something. Mga sisi kami nalalagas.
We'll just go under the tree or something. Anyway.
Yeah. Let's go there. Ayan mga sisi ko, meron din naglalakatan. But, mahal ko, but I think it's better the place that we stop our car. You want to go there?
It doesn't matter, I'm tired now.
Are you very
I
tired?
don't want to return now. I want to run there.
Okay. Let's go here. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that's here is good.
This is good.
Yeah, yeah. Dito na lang kami upo. Ano, maubos na. Tapos yung camera ko. O, diba? Ang relaxing mga sisi ko.